Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Auto Auction Maverick. Okay, today we're going to do a video about a 2015 Acura RDX, and this RDX actually looks pretty good on paper. It has 165,000 miles, and the seller is asking $8,300 for it. Okay, the CarFax shows meaningful maintenance. Okay. And this is exactly why a good CarFax does not automatically mean that you're buying a good car, okay? Here's like what I liked about this car initially, and then I will show you in a second, okay? The RDX, if you looked at some of my videos, is generally a vehicle that I like, okay? It has a 3.5 liter Honda Acura V6, okay, which can be good, but it could have an issue, and I asked a simple question about this, and the seller deflected. It does look clean in the photos. The price isn't immediately ridiculous. And the fact that this guy provides a CarFax at least shows that they have some diligence in when they're buying cars, okay? The CarFax positives are that it has multiple transmission services. It has differential fluid services. That matters on an Acura with 165,000 miles, okay? Somebody appears to have maintained this drivetrain, okay? But the CarFax is not the car, okay? The CarFax did look good, but the CarFax isn't sitting in front of me and running, okay? The CarFax doesn't tell you if the engine sounds good today, okay? It doesn't tell you if there are noises, smoke, leaks, misfires, etc., okay? This is why I asked the seller for a video of this vehicle running, and he would not provide it to me, and his excuse was, we just got it in. Okay? Is it getting something else done to it? Is it not right outside and you can't just go take a picture of the, or a video of this vehicle running? So the reason why I asked for this is because this is a situation where the engine itself, okay, could have a valve-lash tick or a valve clearance issue, okay? Now, a ticking sound does not automatically mean the engine is bad. It means that you investigate further, okay? So let's have a look at this here, okay? Very good looking car. That right there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is a different bumper. That does not match. That looks okay. So it looks pretty good, okay? It's got WeatherTechs, okay? When somebody has the money to buy a WeatherTech floor mat, that means that they have enough money to service the vehicle. So here's the deal. I asked this guy for a CarFax. He sent it to me, no problem. And then I said, do you have a video of the engine running? Tranny and differential changes look good on the CarFax. And he says, no, I don't. We just got it in. And ladies and gentlemen, this is literally what I said to him. I said, go out to it and record a video of the engine running, or don't, okay? I was literally, instead of making this video, I was going to be going and buying this vehicle, okay? Because I need another car for a certain thing. So very, very quickly, okay? We're going to go through this, but we're not going to spend a whole bunch of time on it, okay? Transmission fluid change, 162,000 miles, okay? Shocks. Parking brake adjusted, brakes checked, front brake pads replaced, charging system checked, okay? So look at all this. Look at all of this maintenance, okay? Timing belt replaced in 2021, okay? Now, if you don't see the mileage on a CarFax, okay, just look to the next closest one. So the bottom line is that this has had a ton of maintenance, and it is a great looking car, and this seller is actually asking a very, very fair price. I can tell you without a doubt, okay, that this seller paid no more than $4,000 for this car at auction. There's no way, okay? I have bought these RDXs, several of them, several with 150,000 plus miles, and they are never more than 4,000 miles in the second generation of the RDX. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Auto Auction Maverick. If you have a vehicle that you want my opinion on, send it to me. I like to do this stuff.